One of the best things I've ever made to go with my 3D printer is this heated dry box designed by Richard at Home. I think his YouTube channel's called Richraps. I'll leave a link in the description. But if you got a lot of problems with clogged nozzles, it's going to be one of three things: dirt ingress, moisture ingress, or poorly made filament, or all three. I can't believe how many problems this dry box has fixed on my 3D printer. It really has made for reliable printing. I highly recommend it. It's just made with two reptile heaters that cost about 12 bucks each, I think, off eBay. I slapped it together really quickly because I didn't think it'd actually do that much, but it really has helped. And I keep my 3D printer out in a shed, and as you can see, it's caked in dust and dirt, and it's just churning through filament reliably now. So I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.